Hello everyone. So today I am going to be teaching you how to make one-point perspective drawings, making three-dimensional figures. So what is perspective? So perspective is the art of drawing solid objects on a two-dimensional surface, which gives the impression of there being height, width, and depth. With different positions of our placements, we are able to get different perspectives and different views. One of them being the bird's eye view and the worm's eye view. So the bird's eye view is when you are at basically viewing it from a bird's perspective. So you are seeing the top surface of our objects, and then for the worm's eye view, it's as if you were seeing it from a worm's perspective. So we are seeing the bottom of the object. So the way we were able to make these figures is by having a vanishing point. It is where all of our objects meet in the center. Um, this vanishing point would be found on our horizon line, which is where the sky and land meets in the middle. And this one over here would be at the eye level because we are seeing it from basically the center as if you were seeing it while standing up. Okay, so I have a blank canvas right here, and we are going to start with making our horizon line using this whiteboard website. We are going to start off with choosing this tool right here from the shape option. So we are going to start here in the center so we can get the best of both worlds in creating our three-dimensional figures. Okay, so we have our horizon line, and we are going to make our vanishing point, which we'll make right here in the center. And we are going to start off with making a square. So we're just going to choose the square right here, and then we're just going to bring it right there, and that's going to be one of them. And we're going to use the same one. This is going to help, using this option will help us create straight lines since we don't have a ruler. But this is quite convenient, so they can be straight. And you can be using the same method with a plain sheet of paper and pencil. This is the way that people in the past would traditionally make these figures, and it's a good way to draw. Okay, so choosing this tool again, and we're just going to close it right there. Okay, so as you can see, we have a cube right here, and I'm just going to fill it in. Just going to fill it in so we can differentiate the objects. Okay, and now we are going to make another one. Okay. So this one is going to be at the bird's eye view. So we're going to make it a little bit more bigger this time. And we are going to get this other one. And there you have it. So with this method, you can do the same thing with making as many objects as you want. You can do it with circles, making them into spheres, or you can make cylinders. just any type of object you were wanting to make. But yeah, this is the easy way to make three-dimensional objects in an accurate perspective using a vanishing point. So this is what we call the one-point perspective.